Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to sign up in Facebook. So let's get started. At first let's get into Facebook app. So here it is. Now click on get started if you want to join Facebook. Now enter your name and click on next. Enter date of birth and click on next. Choose the gender and click on next. Enter a mobile number and click on next. Enter the password and click on next. Now to save the login information, click on save and agree the terms. So this is it. Now we are in our Facebook interface. So this is how we can sign up in Facebook. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.